Hello friends, today we will be learning about Termux application of Android. You will find this application in Play Store. You can download it from there. This Termux is an emulator of command line interface of a Linux in an Android. So we open the Termux. First, let me know something about advanced packaging tools. Let us know about advanced packaging tools. Advanced packaging tools, also referred to as APT, is used to find, install, and remove softwares in Termux. So now let's get to some commands. If you want to get the command that we use for APT, advanced packaging tools is APT. So if you want to get help, it is same like Linux commands that you use. So if you want to get help for APT, just type APT space help. It will show you all the help menus. It will show you all the commands that you can use with APT. Those are list, search, show, install, and you also get the descriptions. So now let us begin with some commands. Let's first see this list command. APT list. This will list you all the packages that is in your device. So these are the applications that has been installed in my device. It also gives us the status that is installed. You can see it. So now let's see something. Let's see a package details. So package details. So suppose we want to see the details about unzip, then we will type apt space show and the name of package, that is unzip. It will show you the details of that package, its version, status, and everything about that package. So now again let's go to the help menu. Apt help. You can use help with any command. It will show you all the related commands that you can use. So let's now see search. We can also search the packages in apt by using apt search. So we will use it like it, apt search, and name of that's, for example, we want to search nano, then it has found related to the keyword nano. Similarly, we can search apt search python. So it has not found anything related to python in its search. Now if you see that there has been lots of thing in my screen, in my terminal, and I want to clear all this. So for that we will just type clear and it will clear your screen. Now let's move to some more commands that you can use here. So let's first again go to apt help, and here we find that we have, if you want to update our package, then we have update, and if you want to upgrade our packages by installing the upgrades, then we have upgrade. So we simply type apt update, apt space update, and press enter. It will start updating your Termux. So it depends on your internet speed. So it's now updating. See, 5 packages can be upgraded. Now let's upgrade them. apt upgrade, apt space upgrade, and then press enter. It will ask you for the permission. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Just press yes and press enter. So it's being installed, upgraded. It completely depends on your internet speed. And see, it's upgraded. Now I will tell you one more thing. Suppose you want to use both apt update and apt upgrade command at a same time, then in that case you can type apt upgrade update double ampersand space apt upgrade. It will run your both commands simultaneously, one by one. First apt update will run, and after that apt upgrade will run. You press enter, both commands will run. simultaneously. So it's already updated. I just updated and upgraded it, so this time there are zero upgrades and zero. So let's clear the screen. Now let us grant permission to our storage. Suppose we want to list the files and directories present in the system, so we type ls and press enter. So we see that no files or directories are present, therefore it is not showing anything. So now let's first grant permission to our storage. uh, for that we will type termux hyphen setup hyphen storage, and then we will allow. Now ls is a command for listing the directories. So when I tap ls and press enter, we will see what directories are present in my current working directory. So I see that in home we have storage. So if you want to open this storage, we just type cd and space and the name of the directory, that is storage, and press enter. It will open storage. And if you want to see the files and directories present in storage, we just tap ls and space enter. We can also see the, and you see the directories and files in my disk. Suppose we want to open downloads, just type cd space downloads, enter. Now we are in downloads. When we press ls, we can see that all the files present in my download directory. So now let's again clear the screen. So we can also use a help command with ls. Just type ls space help. It will show you, sorry, ls h, sorry, ls clear. Let's clear first. ls dash help. Oh sorry, it's a double hyphen, ls double hyphen help. So it shows how can we use ls commands. You can see here we can use several extensions with ls, like /r for reverse. So you can check it by yourself. I will tell you some. Suppose you type ls slash a, it will show you all the, let's clear and let's go to, suppose you want to move back to your directory. So you just type cd space double dot and you are one step back in your directory. You can check it, we are outside of the directory download. Suppose you want to check that where are you presently. For that you will just type pwd, that stands for present working directly, and it will show you that you are in storage. So let's move to movies, cd movies, and then see pwd command. It says that we are inside movies folder. So let's go back, cd dot dot ls. So if you tap ls dash hyphen a, it will show you these two more commands, those that were hidden, that are the root folders. So we will not be able to access these root folders. Let's, because for that you have to root your device. Let's move one step more back and come back to home. Now see that we are in home. So let's make some folder first. So if you want to create a folder, we just type mkdir, that is make directory, and the name of the folder, let's say abc. And now let's check ls. We see that there is a folder named as abc that we just created. If we tap ls hyphen a, it will give the root folder also, but I just told you it's not accessible without rooting your phone. So just clear our screen. Now let's try to remove the folder that we made. So we want to remove abc. For that we tap rmdir, remove directory space name of folder abc, and then press enter. And when we check, we find that abc is not there. Now let me tell you one more thing. For that, let's make a directory abc. See, abc has been created. Now we will move inside that directory cd abc. Now we will create one more folder inside that directory cd xyz, sorry, mkdir xyz. Now see that we have created a directory xyz. Now let's move back cd dot dot and clear the screen, and we see that abc folder is there. Now suppose we want to remove this, then we will type rmdir abc, but this time it will not move because directory is not empty. If directory is not empty, we will not use rmdir and file directory name. We will use rm space hyphen rf and the name of that directory abc. So we see that our directory has been removed. So in this way you can remove the non-empty directories. Now let's see something. Now let's make two folders and we will see how to copy in Termux. So let's make some folder mkdir abc, one more folder mkdir xyz, and one more folder mkdir pqr. Now see, we see that there are three folders abc, pqr and xyz. Suppose we want to copy this folder pqr to the folder abc, then we will type the command cp, the folder name that, or the file. You can also copy any files also, text files or any types of files. Suppose we want to copy pqr to abc, then we will space abc. So it is like this. First name of cp space name of the file that you want to copy space the directory where you want to copy or the file path where you want to copy, and press enter. It shows some error. Let's make some, let's copy something inside the storage. cd storage ls. Now let's open shared folder cd shared ls. We have many things there. Suppose we want to copy dht.id to movies. Suppose log.txt, then we will type cp log.txt storage space hyphen, sorry, hyphen backslash and the name of directory. Suppose we want to copy in movies. Oh sorry, let's know the path of that file first. So let's move backward, ls, let's go to movies, cd movies, and let's see the directory path. It's this. So we copy this directory path, copy. Now let's move to shared, cd shared, and we will copy a file from shared to movies. So we want to copy log.txt, then we will type cp log.txt and the space, and we will paste the directory and it will be copied there. How we will know? we will go to that directory, movies, cd, movies, ls, and we find that log.txt exists here, that we have copied from shared folder. So in this way you will do copying of the files. Now let's clear the screen once again. So now let's learn about package. So package is also a software. Package is used to install softwares in Termux application. So first let's go to package help menu, help. So we see that there are some commands that we can use with pkg, and that are files, install, and package name, list all. So let's start from list all. Pkg list hyphen all. This will list all the packages that are available, and it will also show you if it's installed or not. It will be given written at the end, installed, this pcr is installed, patch is installed, path picker is not installed. So these are all the packages that are available with our Termux. So now let's again clear the screen and go to help menu of pkg, pkg dash pkg help. Now if you want to just see the installed packages in your device, then you just type pkg list hyphen installed and just press enter. It will show you all the packages that has been installed, like OpenSSL, Redline, Science Repository, and many others. So if you want to install a package, so how we will install? Suppose let's first list the packages that are available in our available for our device. So pkg list hyphen all. So these are all the packages. Suppose we want to install git, then we see that there is a git. So we can also search the packages. For that we type, you just go to help menu, you will find all that there. Suppose there you see search and query. So this, for this we will type pkg search and the name of the package keyword that you want to search. For example, I want to search git, so it will start searching and it will give me the result. So it has found various packages matching the keyword git, but I want to install this git. For that I will type pkg install space the name of package, and it will ask you the permission of if you want to continue or not. Its total size is 24.8 MB. I want to continue, so I press Y and press the enter, and it starts downloading. It will take time, it depends on the internet speed. And simply if you want to uninstall some package, you just type pkg uninstall space pkg name. You can see the help menu. There are lots of other commands also, you can try it by yourself. Okay, now suppose you want to install python. For that you will type pkg install python. There are various packages and you can also install python. Various tools of linux can be installed in this machine, termux machine. So it says that it's 247 MB, so its size is so large, so I will not install it. I will press end and press enter, and it's aborted. Now we have already installed git in our Termux. Now let's download some project from GitHub. So I want to tell you something about Git first. Git is a repository. Here you can make your project and upload, and everyone in the world can make their own project tools for Termux, and then upload them. And there are various tools available in Git. Hacking tools are also available there. So now you will be able to download any project from GitHub. For that we have the website GitHub. You want to know more, you can go to Google. So now let's install something from GitHub. I go to Google Chrome and then search some tools. For example, I want to install, let's say, some fishing tools. So I will type fishing GitHub. So it will show me the list of, there are various tools: advanced fishing tools, hidden eye, social fish, and there are various tools, fishing tools, shellfish. So suppose if I want to install this social fish, so I will open this, then I will search for desktop website. Then we have here option clone. We click on clone and then copy the link by pressing this, and then go to Termux. Just type, let's see first help commands, git help. So if you want to, so these are some of the helps from, so now you can try it, help from gits. So let me first clear the screen. Now I will tell you how to install any packages from Git. For that I will type git space clone space, and I will paste the link that I have copied. Paste. In GitHub you will find various tools and projects. The social fish is one of them. You can even search for nmap. uh, various tools will be there. Millions of tools you will find. So now social fish has started cloning in my device. It depends on my internet speed how much time it will take. So it's done. So now let's check ls. So we see here social fish. I have installed it here, social fish. So if I want to open this social fish, I will just type cd social fish and then press enter, and then again press ls to see what's inside this. So we have here socialfish.sh. So we will be uh, learning how to use these tools in next videos. Just now we will be learning only the basics about the Termux, and I will upload videos about this social fish also later on. And there are various tools. I will be making videos on all, on how to use it on Termux. It can also be used in Linux machine, but we will be using it in Termux. So now let's see some more interesting commands. So let us do something with text editor right now. Let me first clear the screen and let me move backward. Let me see, where am I? cd dot dot ls. Let me move more back. cd dot dot ls. So I am here. So let me now tell you something about the nano text editor. There are various text editor available, but right now we will be using nano text editor. So if it is not installed in your device, you just type pkg install nano and it will install nano in your device. So it takes time according to the speed of internet, and it was already in my device. So to open this text editor we just type nano and then press enter. Now this is the text editor in our Termux. So if you want to type something, for example, I type hello world, and I again want to type I am learning to use Termux, and to save the file you just press Ctrl and X, and it will ask yes or no. Just press yes. Ctrl X, just press yes. Now it is asking to file name, and I will write it as first text dot txt. You can also use extension dot py if you are writing a Python code. You can also use Python code or Java codes. For that, to run that, you will be requiring Python packages or Java packages accordingly. So I save this file, and let's see if it's saved. Yes, it's saved, first text dot txt. Now let's see how we will see what's written inside that text. So let's see nano first text dot, it will again open the text terminal, and it will show me where I was. Suppose I want to type something more, hi, and again I want to save, Control X, yes, and then press enter. It's saved, ls. So we want to see what's inside that first text.txt, but we don't want to open the nano text editor. So we will just type cat first text, name of the text file, and press enter. So it will show you hello world, I am learning to use Termux, hi. So now let's clear the screen. So if you want to delete this file first text.ts, just type rm first text.txt, and we see that it has been removed. Now let's try some fun things, and we will end this video, and we will be coming in next video for more interesting with more interesting tools, and I will also show you some tools how to run them. We can also use nmap, hydra, and many more tools are available that you can use in Termux. We will be seeing those in upcoming videos. Now let's try something. Suppose you want to see the IP address of your device. You just type ifconfig. It will show you the IP address, subnet mask, and everything. Suppose you want to see the calendar. You just type cal. It will show you the present month calendar. If you want to see present date and time, just type date. It will show you date with time, ist, Indian standard time. Now let's install some interesting packages. Let's install pkz c matrix, and press, sorry, pkz install c matrix, and then press enter. It will install c matrix. And if you want to run this c matrix, we just type c matrix and then press enter. So it's nothing, it's just for fun. It is an command line animation. If you want to exit, just press Ctrl X, it will exit that. Suppose you want to see the running processes in our Termux, just type top and then press enter. It will show you all the processes that is running in your Termux. Press Ctrl X to close, Ctrl Z to close. Let's clear the screen once more. Now we will install one more package install sl. it will install. It's nothing, it's also same like Symmetrics to show the animation in your Termux terminal. So we just tap SL to run this. It will show you a train moving in your terminal. You can close it by Ctrl Z. So thank you for today. I will be uploading more video very soon about how to run different tools in Termax. We will also be using many hacking tools with the help of Termax. We will see all that in our upcoming videos. Thank you.